So what are the objectives of TCAT looking ahead? What's the plan?
Well, we've been disappointed, I think, that we haven't got more students in terms of numbers. We've had some very good students. We've had some very good times.
Okay.
We've got a very successful format now, I think, where you can talk to students, you can ask them what they think.
The idea of this little film is to create the awareness anyway. That's what we're doing today.
Well, I mean, what's been interesting about this second phase I was explaining to you about the about how we developed it, it's a blended learning course which anybody who's running a business can go on.
Okay.
They can send their
It's not just about someone new coming into kitchen design, it could be an existing designer.
Well, mostly it's people who've already been in the industry.
Okay.
Because it's blended learning, it means it's part-time, but it's better than, say, a correspondence course or an internet-based course, because we do these residential weekends.
Okay.
And they're the magic. I mean, if you ask the students what they really love, we go and live, breathe and eat kitchen design. So, so residential weekends are really what make this, I think, brings this alive. And my job as academic lead is to make sure that we get interesting themes and really first-class speakers. And I have been staggered about the number of people who very kindly agreed to come, often without pay, who, I would not expect to turn up.
Their time and their expertise for the benefit.
We've done some we've had some extraordinary times. And I try to give it as wide a range of input as possible. So I make the assumption that quite a lot of the students know about basic kitchen design.
Okay.
So this is like, it depends. I mean, every student finds their own level.
Okay.
And by the way, the success of this is more up to the student than it is up to us as providers.
So who should a potential student speak to get more information, Johnny?
Well, I think the answer to that is Natalie Parkins.
Okay.
Is our course leader.
Good.
If you click onto the ticket website,
TCAT, so TKET,
you'll probably go through to Craig or to Natalie.
Okay.
Or you can apply to the university.
Okay.
It doesn't matter.
And there's more information on the website about the modules that are covered, etc.
Yes, there's plenty of information on the website. And then I think one of the nice things to do is you can talk to some of the students who've either been on the course.
Yes.
We can put you in touch with them to see how they've learned.
Strong.
In my own mind, I feel I'm a teacher half the time. And I've never expected anybody to come here and act like a kind of, how would I put it, a technician. I've always expected them to want to develop them as a person. Okay. I've always expected my part of my role is to make their job interesting. What we're trying to do with the kitchen education course at Bucks is we are in the process now of exploring it becoming what's called it's basically a degree that you achieve through apprenticeship. And Craig and I are very keen.
This is the next level.
Yes. Well, what this will do is it will reduce. At the moment, the cost of coming on the course is about just over $5,500 a year. And we, as you probably know,
it's a 3-year course.
It's a 3-year course, and Ticket provide bursaries usually up to about 50% for quite a lot of students, because the industry is extremely...
This is the industry supporting the individuals.
They support us, and we in turn deliver a lot of financial support to students whom we feel will benefit from it. Okay. Now, in theory, once we get this apprenticeship approval through, which we're doing, by the way, with the furniture makers company, we could reduce that by 50% at least or more. So I think that will. I think cost does deter people.
So there could be potentially more support for the near future in terms of contribution towards that course cost.
So.
That'd be fantastic.
Very much so. I've got other ambitions.
So more people can get involved in it.
Yes, I think. I think once we do that, I think we'll find the numbers will probably increase.
Great stuff.
I would love more support from Bucks University and from other universities, and we are already talking to 2 other universities about that. My own involvement with Newcastle University now, particularly in the idea of training people to design multi-generational kitchens, which I have to say is a very, very big business opportunity, will, I hope, result in some kind of educational initiative.